Hey everybody, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha, and I'm here to talk to you about 45-day dry-aged prime beef from Snake River Farms. These beautiful Tomahawk ribeyes are prime beef. They're not American Wagyu, but they're dry-aged for 45 days and shipped fresh to you. So you gotta cook them within 7 days of getting them, or you gotta freeze them. I'm gonna show you how I season these bad boys up. Then we're gonna reverse sear them on the big green egg, and we're gonna sear them off for that perfect crust. I'm gonna let these beautiful steaks rest here while we fire up the big green egg. All right, so now I'm gonna load up my extra large big green egg with some of this lump charcoal, and I'm gonna light it and set it for low and slow. Got my big green egg fire starter right here. And what I like to do with this is just nestle it right down in the coals, right about there. Now what I'm gonna do is put the expander with the convector inside, shut the lid. I'm gonna close this about 3/4 of the way, the top vent 3/4 of the way, and I'm gonna close the bottom vent about 3/4 of the way. And we're right at 250. These have been sitting out for about an hour, and now they're nice room temperature, they're seasoned, and they're ready to go on the grill. It's been about 20, 30 minutes. We're gonna check the temp on these and see how they're coming along. This ribeye is finished. Get this resting over here. All right, so now we've got this cast iron pan in here, and we're gonna sear these things off. So we've got a neutral oil that we're gonna squirt on the surface. Get that pan nice and hot. Put that right on the cast iron and let that sear off for just a few minutes. Look at that color. Look at that beautiful color on that steak. That is amazing. So we just reverse seared these beautiful Snake River Farms dry aged ribeyes.